Yo, what's up, guys? Micro Garage Customs here again, back with another video. Today we're going to be customizing a McLaren 675 LT. Now here you are, you're going to see me disassemble this car and take it apart. It's all you really need for this is a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, small one, and a couple little flat discs. Or this kit that I have is an iPhone repair kit. This is a 136 scale model. Everything except for the doors and the bottom were held on with screws or rivets, so you can easily take it apart. As you can see right here, I'm struggling with the back windshield because it's like glued down right there. There's a little plastic rivet that I pop off, but on top of that they use glue. And you'll see I get it off, but I end up breaking the little part where it rivets, so it was still salvageable, but it did crack. Nothing you can see from the outside, it's all on the roof. Now we're gonna strip this car. This is the first time I'm using this citrus strip spray aerosol. I must say it worked out pretty good. Only thing is you have to use quite a bit of it, and I guess because it's an aerosol, it's pretty runny. A bunch of the edges wasn't staying on the edges of the car. It was just running down, so the edges were really hard to get cleaned. But for the most part, it worked pretty well. Now here you can see, as you can see in the little cracks and crevices of the car body, there's still paint that the stripper didn't really do nothing to. So here I am hitting it with my little rotary tool. Alright, now I wanted the roof of this car and the hood to be black. So here I am masking off the car. I'm just using some regular old masking tape and a little X-Acto knife to go around the lines where I want it to stay. As you can see, my footage for the top, I thought I was recording and I guess it got corrupt or something. It wasn't on the camera at all, so sorry about that. But there you see me spraying the bottom. These little aerosol cans, they work really well. They got real good coverage. I only took 2 coats to cover the whole car, and then I masked off the car and left the hood and the roof exposed so I can go ahead and hit that with some black. And here you're gonna see the black. It's the exact same brand for the blue, but look at this coverage. It's just, they work great, man. These 2 little cans are probably enough to do, I don't know, 10 of these 136 scale cars. There's the blue and here's the black one. Bought them from Hobby Lobby, so they were like $4, $5 a can. A little pricey, but I mean, you can get many cars done with this. You'll see right here, 2 coats on the roof and the hood were great. I'm shooting from about 6 inches away, and it's really good coverage, and they're like metallic colors too, so the little flakes or whatever is in it make it look really nice. Here I am assembling the car back together, just because we just wanted to do a color change really on this car. We didn't want to do any heavy modifications. This part right here, I covered one of these little pillars, and on the other side I didn't when I was masking. So as you can see, one's blue and one's black, which I wasn't happy with that. So I ended up hitting it with a little paintbrush, and I decided I didn't like that there was no black in the back of the car, so I was like, oh, let's hit the wing with some black also. So that's what we're doing here. We're painting the wing black now that we got all the paint dried and cured. Went ahead and put the bottom back on with the interior. From that picture, the metallic on the paint is awesome. It's got a lot of pop in it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see next.